Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for January 21st through February 4th. It's a rather short forecast. This is for the period January 21st to 25th. Heights remain below normal here across Alaska and Greenland. And we have above normal heights across much of the nation. A little bit of a trough here. That exits. And then the heights rises across much of the nation with near to above normal heights. And a trough will approach the northwest and into the Rockies by Thursday. And this will increase the threat of rain and northern fringe snow of the eastern half of the nation through Saturday. Okay, this is the European this Saturday. Looks like it might start as a mixed precipitation and rain as the storm track remains the same as the storm system goes through the Great Lakes on a northeastward track. And we have more rain, probably heavy rain occurring over the weekend, next weekend. And we'll have series of Pacific fronts that will bring snow and rain to the northwest next week. You can see here in the northwest, look at the GFS. Like I said, I like to use the GFS because it shows the precipitation. And here's the European. And we will have temperatures will start off below normal across the upper Midwest and moderate by Wednesday as a southerly flow brings in milder air. And this air mass will work its way east to the East Coast by Friday and Saturday ahead of the system. And that's why we're expecting rain across the region, across much of the east. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for January 26th to the 30th. And below normal heights are forecast again across Alaska and Greenland, with above normal heights across the northern U.S., below normal heights across southern U.S. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the entire nation, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35%, and we have above normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Looking at the period for January 31st to February 4th, I'm going to take a look later next week at the pattern, see how the polar vortex or in the NA how the teleconnection indexes are. But I took a quick glance. The NAO will trend slightly negative like at the end of the period, and the PNA will trend probably positive late in the period. Okay, this is for January 31st to February 4th. And we have below normal heights cover much of the Rockies and the plains, with the trough in the west, and we have below normal heights across Greenland and above normal heights across east central Canada. Below normal heights here still across Alaska. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for the Rockies, much of the Rockies and the plains, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees below normal. We have above normal temperatures east of the Mississippi River with anomalies of at least 4 degrees above normal. For precipitation, forecasting above normal precipitation for much of this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for January 21st through February 4th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.